This is next crazy experiment, guys. Let's go. First, I plugged the power cable into the PSU. Then I power on the PC. Yeah, it worked. The PC started successfully, and now we can see the CPU temperature at 29 degrees. Everything is running smoothly so far. So yeah, this is a pretty crazy experiment. Now I'm going to add a few drops of water onto the CPU. Let's start. Yeah, the temperature is still rising. After a few minutes, I can see some little bubbles forming on the CPU. Wow, now the temperature is more than 60 degrees. What do you think is happening to the water? Yeah, in the end, the water droplets completely disappeared. There's no water left at all. So, what do you think about this experiment? It was really interesting to watch the water slowly heat up, bubble, and finally disappear from the CPU surface. I honestly didn't expect it to happen that fast. And now I'm curious, what kind of experiment should I try next?